Oh, no, you don't. Ah! Jesus fuck, no! What's up, guys? This is Alex from Beyond the Void Horror Podcast, and today we're going to be doing a little gameplay footage of the Power Drill Massacre, which, of course, you guys picked by doing the poll that we put up on Twitter and a few other places, which you can find right here. Only 15 votes, but Power Drill Massacre wins. So let's get into the gameplay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and warn you guys, this shit usually kind of makes me jump. So, let's start her up. Look at those graphics. Oh, the sun looks so real. Now, Jeff, Megan, are you okay? Ugh, I can't feel my legs. Don't worry, Jeff. I'll go get help. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Sounds like a euphemism. Alright. Okay, see, the controls are already fucking with me, and this is not a good sign in a horror game. Ah! Power Drill Massacre! I don't know where I'm running. This looks cool. Okay, first of all, what in the fucking Sam hell? Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my god, I'm running back to the car. Alright, I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. Okay, we're running away from the smoke. Look at that grass. It looks so real. Here we go. Here we go. Aha! Alright. What a creepy old shed. It's boarded up. Okay, I guess we can't get in there. Oh. Tommy! Fucking pentagram. Looks like some kids drew a pentagram here. Well, whoop-de-fucking-do. They did a really good job, though. Most of the time, people don't sit there and paint it like that. Alright, shit. It's getting dark. Let's go over here. Oh, holy shit. No! The controls suck. Alright, here we go. Ah! Can you fall off? Let's just try. For the sake of science! Hold on. I guess you can't. So I guess I'm not that worried anymore. Ah, the birds always chirp at night. Fuck, man! Controls! Where am I going? Oh, okay. Here we go. Is this... Oh, okay. Like, normally with a third-person thing, like, you can, like, use the other joystick to, like, run or something like that. But it's like it's... Oh, God! Dude, what the... Why was there a fucking noise like that? Alright, hold on. There's gotta be some goodies or something. I don't know how elaborate this game is. It's just a junk car, nothing interesting inside. Oh, alright, well then, fuck it. Hey, what's this over here? Am I going the fucking... What is going on? Fuck, dude! It's another shed. It looks exactly like the last one. How much you want to make a bet that it is exactly the same one? Okay, so... Can we get behind it? Is there another... I feel like there's something's gonna attack me if I don't get somewhere. Guess we'll go up here. Click, 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 click. The door is open. Okay, so go in. Oh. What a creepy building. Fuck, dude, it's so loud in my headphones. Alright. Oh, it just locked behind me. Cool. Dude, I can already tell you that if I panic in this, shit's gonna go south. Okay, I can't even figure out what the hell I'm doing. So we're in the bathrooms. It must be the ladies. This is the men's. I don't know. Those aren't urinals, so I don't know. Oh, no, you don't. Ah! Jesus fuck, no! Fuck, dude! What the fuck? God! Is this even meant to be beaten? Because that shit was fucking out of control. I don't even know if I want to do that again. Alright, we'll try it again. Dude. Alright, so I'm just gonna fucking book this shit. So we already know what the fuck happens up in this bitch. Alright. Looks like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it. Yes. The search continues for 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Laurie Summers of Long Island, New York have been missing. It's dated August 1982, 5 years ago. So it's 1987 right now. The golden year of 1988. Swear to God, bro. I don't like this shit. It's a locked metal door. Okay, so let me guess. I'm trying to find keys. Oh, there's something. Got it. Bam! No! Dude. I'm gonna have a fucking heart attack. Dude, shit's gonna go fucking crazy. If the controls were a little bit better, I would feel probably a little bit more comfortable. But shit is just getting fucked up. So it's a locked metal door. Maybe I should go back to that room. Oh, come on. You get stuck on shit, you gonna die, girl! I don't know what the fuck. Everything looks the same. The camera angle changes. Can't believe I made it this far. Oh, dude, I think it's gonna pop up soon. Seriously, I'm gonna like have a heart attack and this is gonna be the video that people watch. They're like, this was the last recorded moments of Alex. He was a kind man with a stupid attitude. He walked into some... Ah! No! The fuck was that? Oh my god, dude. What the... Did you guys see that flash? Oh, yep, Satan. Satan symbol. Satan symbol. It's popping up a lot. Does that mean danger? Nope, I don't know what that was. Subliminal messages. I'm getting fucking brainwashed here, guys. Oh yeah, this was... Did you fucking hear that, dude? What the fuck? Yeah, fuck that shit. I ain't going there. Play your fucking records. Oh my god, dude. Oh. Ah! Am I tripping for no reason? Like, what the fuck was that? Alright, the game is freezing up. It's a pile of decaying flesh. I think I'm going to be sick. It's a pile of decaying flesh. I think I can't even do nothing. Are you serious? The game just crashed on me like that? I think it's a pile of something. Power Drill Massacre! The sequel. You'll never beat this game. I mean, I think I got pretty far without that guy fucking jumping out at me, so at least that, right? The Driller Killer. And how the hell did they wreck their car out in the middle of nowhere with, like, trees all around them? Like, how did they wreck? These are the questions I ask. What if he was just, like, right behind the door? Like, just right off the bat. Alright, now it's not letting me... It's not letting me do shit. It's frozen. Alright, we're gonna try one more time. Okay, we made it back. Alright. I'm not gonna don't fuck up. The door is open. Go inside. We made it! It worked! Okay, we got one checkpoint. Oh, it's not there anymore. They moved the key. It's procedural. Oh well, we'll just keep looking. Did you see that? Little motherfucker ran up the stairs. Don't kill me, creepy kid. Okay, I'm going down some dark ass hallway. Dude. Ah! Fucking shit! Oh, I banged my fucking toe! Dude, I feel like I just slammed my fucking nail. Okay, so why did it ding? At least makes sense, god damn it. Oh, because there's an item in here. It's like I feel like I've already been here. Ugh. Christ, man. I think they did this shit on purpose so that you would have no sense of direction. Fuck it, man. I'm running. Wait, what was that? What did it say? Something tunnel. Fuck it. Something. Say death tunnel. Ah! No! Fuck you, asshole! Dude, the hair on my fucking arm is just, I look like a goose. Oh, all right, I think that's fucking enough. I kind of want to go back to save it because I wouldn't mind seeing if I could actually beat this. But fuck, man. Damn. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. I do want to do more gameplay footage. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell if you're super cool on the YouTube channel. But please share this and let me know if you have any other ideas for games that you'd like me to play. Let's do this. Thanks for stopping by, guys.